So, as good morning, everyone. Yesterday we had discussed that what the equality means. On the political ground, Kanta and Ramkali both were getting the same rights and they both were standing in a same line where the Jainsa and other persons were also standing to cast their vote. But after casting the vote, they both were returning back and Kanta was very worried about her daughter as her daughter was not well and she was supposed to take her to the hospital. So hospital में लेके जाना and she was not having money with her. So due to that factor, she just want to finish the work where she worked as a domestic worker and want to take some advances from them. उनसे कुछ एडवांस लेना चाहते थे because of her weak economic condition. So this is another parameter. Like our India is a democratic country. They had given us political equality, but on other ways, social equality and economic equality, it's only depend upon us, our dedication, our devotion, and our discipline. If we want to proceed or we can, otherwise it will be not in our hand. Economic equality, government of India has given the chance to give us economic equality. लेकिन हम लोग because of our weak economic conditions, discriminations are still being made. अभी भी society में economic background के basis पर discrimination जो है वो किए जाते हैं. Like another example which is being given over here, one boy was there in our this book के concept के अंदर है. पहली चीज तो आपको ये बता दूं, universal adult franchise is clear, which we have discussed yesterday. Universal adult franchisee means right to vote, and it is the political right which is being accessible by all the person above the age of 18. Is it clear? Like Ramkali and Kanta and Jain Saab and all the other industrialists and teacher, doctors, सारे rights जो हैं वो सारे enjoy करते हैं. But on other side, if Kanta want to take her daughter to the hospital, she has to stand in a long queue in the civil hospital. Civil hospitals में rush होता है. So she has to stand in a long queue, and on the other side, the person who is very rich can afford the private treatment for their ward, and without paying much attention or standing in the queue, they just get treated in that particular area or in that particular private hospital. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है? जिसके पास पैसा है वो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में जा सकता है, जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है वो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में नहीं जा सकता. पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज, जिसके पास पैसा है वो पैसा दे के इमरजेंसी में ट्रीटमेंट करवा सकता है, बट जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है वो इमरजेंसी में ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करवा सकता, and he or she has to stand in the long queues, isn't it? So economic discrimination is still there, which is existing in our society. और थर्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आता है हमारा सोशल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. हम लोग कहते हैं कि all the things are equal, like no discrimination is there, but still कहीं ना कहीं पर भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो है वो होता है. किस बेसिस में? उसकी भी एग्जांपल जो है हमारी बुक के अंदर दी गई है. जस्ट आई डोंट वांट कि अभी मैं तुम लोगों को एकदम से सारा बता दूं. हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलते हैं. फर्स्ट, यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी, political right which is equal. Just go with the concept. Who will be going to read this concept? First page, right to vote, equal right to vote. Who will be going to read? Yes, Gurleen Ratanpal, please try to read this concept. Further I will proceed. Here they are saying that all the people, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their religion, irrespective of their gender, all have equal right to vote. That is a one basic feature of our democratic country. So democratic country का basic feature क्या है? That is all person above the age of 18 are having right to vote, and this is known as universal adult franchise. So 1 mark question is here. What do you mean by universal adult franchisee? What is the second question है? What is the basic feature of democracy? Basic feature of democracy is to choose the representative, to elect. To elect means all persons are having right to elect the representative. कोई doubt? यहाँ पर किसी को कोई doubt हो? Clear है? Next, hurry up, beta. Read fast. It is based upon the idea of equality because it states that every adult in the country, irrespective of their wealth, irrespective of the community he/she belongs, has one vote. As in India, as a democratic country, we have one person, one vote, one value. Please write down. In India, we have the feature of one person, one vote, one value. One person, comma, one vote, comma, one value. What does it mean? एक बंदा, चाहे वो प्रधानमंत्री है, चाहे वो राष्ट्रपति है, either a president of a country or a prime minister of a country or a beggar of a country or a rickshaw puller of a country or a employee of a country or a doctor of a country, whosoever the member above the age of 18 are having one vote. तो कितनी वोट का अधिकार है? एक. और एक वोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? एक. ये नहीं कि प्रधानमंत्री ने डाली तो उसकी वैल्यू 4 है और एक बेगर ने डाली तो उसकी वैल्यू आधी है. So this kind of discrimination is not there. Equality is being given by Constitution of India to our country member. Those who are above the age of 18 having one person have the feature of one person, one vote, one value. Is it clear? ठीक है. So 2 question. What do you mean by universal adult franchisee? What is the basic feature of democracy? ठीक है. Clear है? 2 questions. Side पे लिखते जाओ अपनी book के side पे. Next आ जाता है, Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of other because each of them has a one vote. चाहे वो ऑनर दे, अशोक जैन दे, छोटे लाल दे, चाहे कांता दे या रामकली दे, सबकी वैल्यू कितनी है? एक. और कांता जो है, she is very happy and excited to cast her vote. But in her day gone, Kanta become less certain about what is equality really means. क्या सही में हमें equality मिली हुई है? क्या सही में हमारे पास equality है? कांता यही सोच रही है. What the other makes Kanta unsure. Let's take a look on a day of her life. She lives in a slum. Slum क्या होता है? झुग्गी झोपड़ियों वाला एरिया, जहां पर पानी की फैसिलिटी नहीं है, जहां पर सीवेज की फैसिलिटी नहीं है. So we have considered that Kanta, a lady who is being very excited to get the vote or having the equal right, is being disappointed because of her own daily routine. As we had discussed that her daughter is not well and she has to take her to the hospital and she has to manage the exactly financial conditions also. She has to borrow the money from her owners also. So this kind of difficulty is still there. Now proceed with the next paragraph. Kriship, try to read. Kriship. So in this way, Kanta, she was unhappy because she lives in slum area, the area which is not being provided by all the public facility like water, regular electricity, regular sewage facility, and her house is there where drain is also at the backside of her house. Her daughter is sick and she has to take her to the hospital, but she has to work for long hours at his honor employees because she has to take the money from them, and after that she was supposed to stand in a long queue in the hospital. So in front of the government hospital is unlike one of the morning because most of the people standing in are poor. यहाँ पर कौन खड़े होते हैं? जो गरीब होते हैं. So this is another concept है other kinds of equality. अब दूसरे तरह की equalities क्या है हमारे देश में? Kanta is one in many people who live in democratic India and who have the right to vote. But on daily living, their working conditions are very poor. People in India experience inequality in different ways. अब देखो inequality क्या है? Economic inequality है. Economic inequality कांता के साथ शो हो रही थी. Second inequality क्या है? Let us see what the meaning by reading the two stories given below. यहाँ पर एक और inequality दिखाई जा रही है. जो एक दिखाई जा रही है, मैं इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट की तरह चल रही हूँ. जो दिखाई जा रही है, one boy was there in a school. He went to the school, but the children or the friends of that boy and the teacher, they treated him unequally. यानी कि इक्वालिटी जो है वो पूरी तरह से इक्वालिटी हर टाइप की नहीं होती है. Because there was one boy that was Om Prakash Valmiki. नाम क्या है? Om Prakash Valmiki, जो कि एक स्कूल में पढ़ता है, and he was being discriminated by the school teacher or by the friends because he belongs to other caste. And he was not being get a company of his friends. He was forced to sweep the school ground during the school time because he belongs to other caste. And second thing was he was not supposed to take water from the school tap because he belongs to that community. So this kind of discrimination is there, that is caste discrimination. And Om Prakash Valmiki was very much disappointed when his father came here in the school and saw this kind of discrimination which was being made by the teacher or by the other fellow friends of Om Prakash Valmiki. Then he has decided to give a good quality of education to his child. Then Om Prakash Valmiki has written his autobiography. Now, what is the meaning of autobiography? That is Om Prakash Valmiki. He has written his own autobiography, which is known as Juthan. उसने कौन से नाम से लिखी? जूठन. अब यहाँ पर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. Who has written his autobiography? Juthan. That is Om Prakash Valmiki. And Om Prakash Valmiki has written autobiography dash. कौन सी? जूठन. 2 क्वेश्चंस हो गए आपके. 2 क्वेश्चंस हो गए बच्चे. Have you written? And what kind of discrimination was being faced by Om Prakash Valmiki? That was the caste discrimination. Caste discrimination. Kanta was facing the discrimination, that was economic discrimination. Kanta was facing discrimination, was economic discrimination, and Om Prakash Valmiki was facing the discrimination, that was caste discrimination. So he writes in his own biography, Juthan, about what he was doing and what he was supposed to do by the headmaster of the school, and he has done that. And after that, when he became a successful, and he has written, and this kind of inequality is still existing in India. In spite India, the constitution has given all the things in as ensure to have equality. So आज हमारी जो ये क्लास है उसमें हमने बेसिकली कौन सा देखा? पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी, इकोनॉमिक अनइक्वालिटी एंड सोशल अनइक्वालिटी, मींस कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. पॉइंट क्लियर है यहाँ पर? अगर क्लियर है तो आई विल प्रोसीड फॉर द फर्दर. प्लीज थम्स अप. थर्ड जो एग्जाम्पल है that is being given religious discrimination. हमारे भारत में सिर्फ और सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी तो सबको दी गई है, लेकिन इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी इज स्टिल एग्जिस्टिंग. Social inequality means caste inequality, which we have done from Om Prakash, जूठन जो उसने लिखी. Third inequality is religion inequality. Like there was one couple होता है husband wife, those who want to get an apartment in one area and their name was Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. क्या नाम था उनका? Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. वो जब अपना घर एक रेंट पर लेने गए एंड दे जस्ट सिलेक्ट वन अपार्टमेंट और वहां पर वो डील करने लगे. जैसे ही उन्होंने अपना नाम बोला, जो अपार्टमेंट के ऑनर थे उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने कहा कि यू आर मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अंसारी. सॉरी भाई, हम लोगों ने तो यहाँ पर घर किराए पे देना ही नहीं है. सो ड्यू टू दिस फैक्टर उनको घर नहीं मिला. एंड द ब्रोकर जो घर दिलवाते हैं ना, ब्रोकर, उन्होंने अंसारी को बोला कि प्लीज आप अपना नेम चेंज कर लीजिए. आप मिस्टर और मिसेस अंसारी की जगह क्या नाम रख लीजिए? मिस्टर और मिसेस कुमार. एंड यू विल गेट द अपार्टमेंट very soon and you will be not facing any kind of difficulty to take the apartment. So this kind of discrimination is still existing in our locality. I think in one of the movie I have also seen one girl was there like Mars Mission. Mars Mission देखा है आपने?
मिशन मंगलम.
उसमें एक
थी
नूर and she want to take an apartment क्योंकि उसको मार्स मिशन में काम करना था. शी वांट टू टेक एन अपार्टमेंट. जब वो साइन करने लगती है, वो अपना चेक निकाल के देना चाहती है, तो ऑनर कहते हैं योर नेम इज नूर. मैं आपको कल फोन करके बताऊंगा क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ी सी ना वॉशरूम की प्रॉब्लम है, या मैं कल आपको बताऊंगा. दिस इज द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन विच इज बीइंग शोन इन द मार्स मिशन मूवी ऑल्सो. एंड एग्जैक्टली इट इज गोइंग ऑन. आज की डेट में कहीं पर भी रिलीजियस जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, धर्म के आधार पर लोग एक दूसरे को घर नहीं देते हैं. यही एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर दी गई है. चाहे हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने इंश्योर किया है कि इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, बट एग्जैक्टली में मेंटल साइकोलॉजी, जो लोगों के मेंटल साइकोलॉजी है, वो अभी तक इतनी डेवलप नहीं हुई है कि बीइंग अ हिंदू फैमिली और बीइंग अ सिख फैमिली वो किसी मुस्लिम फैमिली को दे या किसी और धर्म के लोगों को वो अपार्टमेंट जो दे. सो मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अंसारी वर नॉट गेटिंग द अपार्टमेंट ऑन रेंट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर रिलीजन. So this is third discrimination. First discrimination Kanta faced, that is economic discrimination. Second discrimination Om Prakash Valmiki faced, that was the caste discrimination कि उसको स्कूल में जाके mobbing and cleaning करनी पड़ती थी. Third discrimination was the religion discrimination which was being faced by the Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. This affect the human life and their dignity. उनकी डिग्निटी को अफेक्ट करता है, उनके अपने वास्तविक को अफेक्ट करता है, उनके अपने पर्सनल इनर कॉन्शियस को अफेक्ट करता है. नहीं करता? When you feel, when you are enjoying your lunch with the school friends और एक फ्रेंड कहते हैं हमने नहीं तेरे को बिठाना, तो आप फील करते हो ना हमें बिठाया नहीं है उसने, करते हो ना? सेम द केस Kanta was also feeling discriminated because she has to stand in the long queues of public hospital. Second, Om Prakash Valmiki was also feeling low dignity because he was forced to clean the school playground and he was not allowed to have the drinking water from the school tap. And third was Mrs. and Mr. Ansari, who were not getting the apartment on rent in the Hindu colony. Is it okay to everyone? I hope up to this is clear. So tomorrow we don't have class, so on Monday I will continue with this and you have to write down the question. I will send you assignment only and you have to make your answer. After that, whosoever's answer will be in a very good manner, I will share that answers in the group. because now onward your notebook will be assessed on online only. Okay, as last year you were doing, you were sending your notebooks on the WhatsApp personal teacher's number. So same the case you will follow now after this. Fine. I'll send you one worksheet after this, and you will be going to write the things, and then whosoever's answer will be in a very good manner, I will share that answers in the group so that other can see. Fine. I hope it is clear.